So I'm not done with my holiday season yet, guys. I had so many experiences that I want to make sure I get them all in. This particular one was a bread making experience. As a child, I watched my dad's sisters, I watched my mom and her family make bread, make jams, pickle, do canning, and all sorts of things. So when my Aunt Lisa came to me with this amazing idea for a business, Falk 4 Chairs, creating experiences for women, team building, bread making, gardening, all of the above. She has created these experiences for women in her area, Winston-Salem, North Carolina. I begged her to come to Texas and try out her bread making class with my good friends. So in today's video, keep watching so that you can see how awesome of an event this was. And if you are in the North Carolina area, Winston-Salem area, be sure to look up Falk 4 Chairs. You can find it on Instagram as well, so that you can keep tabs on all of the amazing experiences that company does. So sit back and enjoy and just watch the bread making master. And might I add, we all made bread, pizza dough, and cinnamon rolls for the next month. The starter makes so much, but we had such a good time. It was an experience that all of us will remember forever. And honestly, we're all still making bread.
So what you're seeing is the flour literally being incorporated. All the other stuff has been mixed. And if you look carefully, you can see it coming from against the walls. Now what I always do is stop it. Where's your spatula? Do this on purpose. Because one of the main things is just a matter of making sure it's good and mixed.
Yeah.
Okay? And then the beauty of a great mixer is it does the work for you.
So, like I said, sit back, relax, and enjoy this week's vlog of another amazing holiday experience. If you want to learn more about Falk 4 Chairs, find them on Instagram at Falk 4 Chairs and check out all that she has coming and what she is doing right now. And I'll be sure to make sure that all of her information is in the description. So enjoy, guys.